Caden has found the ultimate wheel. He managed to knock Daddy's bike over, which we knew was coming. It was just a matter of when we would have our back turned. And the entry for here. What's he doing? Say, Mommy, I am zoned in. I am a man on a mission here. Caden.